Do you need to Bluetooth connect your mobile phone to a Mark 7 Volkswagen Golf? Then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on this 2015 Mark 7 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to Bluetooth connect your mobile phone to the center infotainment screen. Now if your one has the same button arrangement or the same screen, this is going to be the process for you. And there are a couple of complexities. The first one is that the system can actually get full with mobile phones that it's paired with, which was actually happening on this car, so it was stopping any new phones from connecting to it. But I can show you how easy it is to delete old phones. So we're just going to go to the phone button over there on the left hand side. You can see it's obviously already trying to connect to some phones that aren't here. Tap setup just down in the bottom there, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Once we're in here, you can see what its name is. So this is Fiona GTI. You can see that it's visible at the moment, which we're going to need that in a second. You've got paired devices and find devices. So find devices for new device and paired devices are ones that have been connected previously. So you can see there's quite a lot on this car, and this is why it was actually full. So what we're going to do, go look for some old ones. So let's just go, I know that this one here is no longer used, so we're just going to delete that, and I'm going to just delete another one there just because I know it's not longer used. So now we can go ahead and actually pair my new one. So what I'm going to do is just have that on this screen, and I'm going to use my phone instead of doing it on the car. So to do that, I've got an Android, so you're just going to go ahead and go to the Bluetooth. Now my phone's already searching for the car and it's already found it down the bottom there. So we're just going to give that a click. May take you a couple of attempts. There we go, and it's just saying, do you want to connect, pair, and you can connect on the screen as well. So we've just said that they match, and now it says pairing successful, and it should start downloading my phone book as well. So it's just come up saying, do I want to give access to contacts, which I do. Now that's starting to download my contacts. It may also be able to get some call history as well, but we can go ahead and start using our phone for both music and also phone calls. For music, obviously we go into the media button there, and then we can just tap source and make sure that's on Bluetooth. There you go, nice quick video for you today. If you did find that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.